So as far as I'm concerned, labor intensity is not something I want to do. I like to buy actual hard real estate. And, but hotels have been a good investment to some people. I mean, during a pandemic, hotels were literally shut down. And it was the worst investment you could buy, and nobody would give you financing on that because hotels were empty, and some hotels still, I just came back from another city in the US, and there's still hotels that are still shut down. But again, we talk about well location, good locations. And I know right now that in a certain city in Florida, I visit a specific resort there when I go on holidays. And at this resort, I remember that the prices they were running, this is a nice resort, they were running about $199. And they were giving away weekend specials for $99. The regular posted rate was anywhere from $300 to $500, and they were giving away the weekend rates for $99. And you go, how do you make money? Well, they're trying to pay for just keeping the lights on. I saw rates go up straight up to $500 because this was Florida, and people from New York and people from LA were coming into Florida in big ways and coming to this specific city. And I started to realize, holy smokes, that weekend special that I could have got for $99 not only 12 months ago is now going for $900. So people took advantage of that because the supply, right? People were all coming down to that one area, and they were then, if I looked at your cash flow from during the pandemic, which was 99 bucks, I said, I'm not gonna buy this hotel. This hotel is worth nothing to a $900 cash flow per night on a weekend. I mean, that's an amazing recovery. So when you look at that and say, okay, there may not be a pandemic for the next 20 years, or any act of God, as I call it. So is it a good investment? Well, if you can get high rates right like that, you can buy right and crank up the rates, God bless you. You're doing really well. I think, you know, if you have an opportunity to look at hotels and you've got a good operator and you can invest with them, that may be a good spot. I'm not saying it is a good spot, I say that may be a good spot. And again, I ask you, look at things for 10 years, not a 5-year outlook, it's gotta be a 10-year outlook.